Hey, Southern California. Hopefully, you're having a great Wednesday evening so far. Boy, has the weather been beautiful out there today. I figured I'd take a step outside and enjoy. Maybe you're doing the same, having a barbecue outside, going for a walk or a jog, perhaps. Check out the high level cloud cover behind me. That's actually some monsoonal moisture that's making its way into Southern California. It's going to add some humidity the next couple of days, but it'll also allow for some really pretty sunsets. On the left-hand side of your screen, that's a live look over La Jolla from our Alert California UCSD cam, and you can see a different type of cloud cover. Those are marine layer clouds that are also going to be rolling onshore a little bit later tonight, and so that mix is going to make for a gorgeous sunset if you haven't had a chance to step outside already. 74 degrees is the temperature right now downtown San Diego. Notice we have a northwest breeze at 11 miles per hour, and both the humidity and the dew point are on their way up here. So it's going to get a little sticky over the next few days. Here's a bigger picture on the satellite. Couple of things to point out. First of all, you can see those high level clouds which have been passing by throughout the day today. We had some showers and thunderstorms over the Gulf of California last night. Some of the blow off cloud cover moved its way over San Diego County and Imperial County today. So that's what you're seeing behind me right now. And as you walk outside, where the weather is not quite as nice is just to our east. And I want you to know about this. I've been talking about it all day long. If you're planning on traveling out to Arizona, some rough monsoonal thunderstorms. In fact, see the flash flood watch in place for southern Arizona through this evening. And then also, those orange polygons are severe thunderstorm warnings. So spots like Tucson could be at play for a very rough evening tonight. Back here at home, here's a look at our low temperatures. Notice along the coastline, marine layer is going to be rolling back in. So we'll have the 60s out there. It's going to be warmest in Imperial County. Temperatures there dipping back into the 80s for many of our locations under mostly clear skies. Again, the occasional high level cloud cover will continue to pass through. And the heat wave that we're in right now looks like it's going to continue for a while, right? It's this stagnant ridge of high pressure. So notice the heat alerts out in Imperial County. We have an extreme heat warning there. San Diego County deserts also underneath the extreme heat warning. And then we have a heat advisory that's in orange for our mountains. So we're talking about spots like Julian down through Pine Valley. Temperatures here over the next couple of days likely going to be in the 90s. You combine that with the monsoonal moisture we have at play. Again, those high level clouds, it's going to make it feel sticky. There will definitely be a little bit of a heat index. And oftentimes, when we talk about monsoonal moisture around here, we have to mention the possibility of thunderstorms. Kind of a lackluster monsoon season thus far. But heading into this weekend, particularly I'm thinking Saturday and Sunday, there could be a slightly better chance at a couple showers and thunderstorms. Look where they're confined, right over the San Diego County mountains and deserts. So Julian down through Alpine, about a 20% chance of showers and storms this weekend. Bottom line, it's hot, it's muggy, and there's going to be isolated storm chances. But in the meantime, the evenings, the mornings, they're beautiful if you step outside and enjoy some of the nice weather that we're having here locally.